A short little Camaro update. I got it back. It still needs stuffs and things, and I had the battery put in the trunk, so it's got the master switch now. The tank had to get modified for fuel. So this thing's hooked up now. Looks kind of alright. I gotta punch a hole. I've got more than one hood. I'm gonna take the old flat hood and trim a hole out of that here in the next few days. So the stuff that just put me over the top trying to figure it out, and it looks so simple now, was this power steering. So this pump got put on, but it's got a remote reservoir, so I wouldn't have thought of that. And the lines go directly to the power steering box. The alternator, it's a little baby one, so it got tucked down in here. I'm assuming these are custom made brackets he did. Guy did a good job. I also had to trim the electric water pump here. Had to bevel the corners a little bit for clearancing the drive belt on the power steering pump. You see the battery went out of there. MSD box ended up in here with some fan and temperature relays and whatnots. I got a new coil, a little MSD blaster coil, a little red cylindrical one got replaced with that one. So I'll start it. It's not insured. It just came back the other day. I haven't done anything with it. I'll start it. So it seems to run fine. I haven't driven it.